fun, Remy? He's so cute. Oh my gosh. I know you're feeling jealous. I'm gonna buy you one too. Oh, he likes it a lot. He does like it.
He does a little jig.
It totally reminds me of those little stick dancing things where they get the country bumpkin with the board sticking out. And he's got the little thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
And the feet kind of.
It's not a jolly jumper, it's a jolly jigger. There he goes.
Oh.